Remember shops? You'd walk into a shop, a retail establishment of some kind, and you might be greeted with a human being who says, "Hi, how may I help you?" And in the best case, they mean it. They're not saying, "Hi, give me your money." That sounds like a stick-up. They're saying, "How can I help you? How can I serve? What problem do you have that I can help you alleviate?" And we all are now in positions to solve much bigger problems than purchase intent. Purchase intent is the front end of a deeper set of needs, desires, wants that we have, and we have the opportunity to really lean into and dive into that. Help me not just buy the product, help me use the product. Help me get more value out of the product over its lifespan. Help me minimize the carbon footprint of the product. Help me renew, reuse, and recycle and return the product in a more circular version of an economy, not just a growth mode of economy that costs us all a bit, given the climate reality that we're living into. Ultimately, and I love saying this in the land of Harry Potter, AI is a magic wand. What spell do you want to cast? We think that we're prompting the machines, but the prompt is really on us. And AI will not change us so much as accelerate all of us and make us more of what we already are, individually and collectively.